Hola people, Bree Slay here, aka the Beauty Plug, all that connects you to your beautiful. And listen, if you're interested in what I got for this season of Sephora VIB sale, whether you're Rouge, VIP, whatever, and what I think that you need to go in the store that's worth trying, getting your hands on, saving you 20%, then come on now, you know what to do. Hola people, Bree Slay here, aka the Beauty Plug. Listen, you know Sephora's VIB sale is going on right about now, and I had to pick up some stuff. Some stuff is new to me, some stuff is not new to me, and I wanted to come to y'all and tell y'all, listen, let me get this out so that y'all know what to get, save you a little coin, and let you know what I think is worthy for splurge or save or whatever it is. So this is going to be including fragrances. It's going to be including a fragrance that I picked up. It's going to be including beauty, including skincare, all of the above. So let's just start off with the fragrance that I got. Now, I have the 1.7 fluid ounce. I have the dupe for it by Lattafa, Love Affection. And I was like, you know what? I need to get another bottle because it is an absolute favorite of mine. It is my summertime gourmand. I absolutely adore it. And I also love wearing it in the rain. Something about wearing this fragrance along with Valaya, which is another one of my fragrances that I love, by Parfums Somali. Wearing this in the rain, I don't know. But it is gourmand and very well for summer. Okay, and that's none other than Kayali's Yum Pistachio. So this is the 3.4 fluid ounce, I believe. Yeah, the 100 ml. I also have, I must have put it in my travel case because I'll be traveling soon. But I also have the 1.7, and it's halfway done, if not a little bit more than halfway finished. And the color has changed because any fragrance that has vanilla in it, I told you, like if it's been exposed to the elements, that it will change color and get darker. I absolutely love this. I want to spray this so bad right now on my skin, honey. But I already got on another fragrance. But you know what? This actually would be a great layering combo. So I'm going to... Today I have on my scent the other day is Tiziana Terenzi Orza, which is one of my other signature scents. That actually smells great with that, mixing that up. Okay, then. So that's what I got for fragrance. Now, moving right along to skincare. So I am a Kiehl's, Ordinary, and Ole Henriksen type of girl, okay? And Tatcha, excuse me. Those are my favorite brands to use for my face. And I have been using this Glow 2OH toner. This is my third bottle of this. I was running low. I needed another bottle, so I went and picked this up. It has definitely toned my skin, but I also use it in combination with Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Corrector by Kiehl's. It's a serum. I love it. But this I use as a toner, and I also have an Estee Lauder toner lotion. But I must say that this is the most consistent product that I've been using, which is this one. So again, this is Glow 2OH Dark Spot Toner. The next thing I picked up, Kiehl's. I'm a Kiehl's baby. I love their Midnight Recovery. I love their Clear Spot Corrector. I love the Calendula Toner. I love their Calendula Cleaner. I love Kiehl's products. And they came out with a better sunscreen UV serum, which is this. It's been all over IG. It's been all over TikTok. I initially bought a small bottle, but then after using the little small bottle, just tried it one time. I said, I really like the way this looks on my skin. I like the way that it does not have a white cast. I like the fact that it is a serum. I'm a serum type of girl. And this has SPF 50 broad spectrum. It has collagen. We had a little technical difficulties. The whole thing just dropped. Back to the Better Sunscreen UV Serum. It has broad spectrum, and like I said, SPF 50. It has collagen peptide, and it doesn't leave a cast, and your skin looks amazing. So I went and picked up a full bottle of this, plus a little mini travel one, because like I said, when I travel, especially because I'm traveling to a hot climate, I want to have that in my little hygiene, my little knick-knack bag, okay? Next. So I was originally going to get the Clarins serum, peptide serum, collagen serum. And I also use, it used to be called Buffet, but now it's called Multi-Peptide by The Ordinary. It's a serum. And the girl in the Sephora, shout out to her, was like, listen, why don't you try the Inkless Collagen Peptide Serum? It's $10. I have used it myself. It plumps and firms the skin, and it's great. So listen, for $10, plus 20% off, 10 times 2 is what? What's 10 times 2? 10 times 2 is 10 times 2. 10 times 2 is 20. $2 off 10 comes out to $8. Like, you can't beat that. So I bought this. I have not unboxed it yet, so I'll unbox it with you guys. And oh, it's a serum. It's 1.0 fluid ounce. And I feel like the reason why this is also good as far as branding is concerned is because it's not in glass. It's not, the packaging is very simple. It's in plastic. So they're probably able to save as far as marketing goes, as far as how much they charge for the product to the person. It says using the AM and PM on clean skin and apply pea-sized amount to face and neck if using along with other serums, layer in any order. So we're going to give it a try, and I'll let you know how that works out. The next thing I got is Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I have a travel size one that I was trying this out. I also use Tatcha's moisturizer that is in a purple container like this. And I love Tatcha's moisturizer, especially in wintertime when my face gets very, very, very dry. If I've been outside and I've been partying quite a bit and I've had a few little cocktails, okay? And I've been partying hard like a rock star. Of course, too, alcohol dehydrates you, so it has a tendency to kind of like make your skin dry also. So if you haven't been able to like get in on your electrolytes and drink some Gatorade, drink some coconut water, which is my favorite for hydration, and your skin is just dry, I think that Tatcha is great. And this also gives you a rezhuzh. It revives your skin. You look flawless and amazing and all the things. So go pick this up, especially because it's 20% off. And I believe this retails for $42. It's a little pricey, but guess what? You get what you pay for, definitely, with this. So go check this out. The next thing I got was Gloss Bomb. And this Gloss Bomb, I got the new one, Fuchsia Flex, but they didn't have it in store, so I had to, in the store where I was, so I had to order it and have to go pick it up. I also got this blush by One Size. I got a blush from them, and I have to go pick that up as well. So this, however, I got this Gloss Bomb, and it's called Sweet Mouth. It's number 4, and I like it because it's like a nudish, pinkish, pearlish. I like it a lot. I'm not going to try it on, but I will show you guys how it looks on my hand as far as the color and the shine. Can you see that? Yes, no, maybe so. And what I like about Fenty's lip glosses is that they're nice and thick, but they're not too sticky, and they give you a nice shine. Your lip look like it's about to fall off. It's so juicy. You know what I mean? So that's what I got. I also got Patrick Ta's for face. Listen, I got his She's Giving, okay? She's Giving. I have it on right now, okay? Listen, when I tell you it is both a cream and a powdered blush, the packaging is gorgeous, number 1. It's like a rose gold. The cream at the top comes with a lid that covers the cream, and then you have the powder. When I tell you this is pigmented, baby girl, you looking like a Barbie's doll, okay? This is all the things and then some, all right? So if you're looking for a blush that's pigmented, what made me want to get this too is because the woman in Sephora, again, that helped me, she had it on her face, was looking beat down, but still glowy and beautiful and natural. She had this on, so I had to get it, and I put it on today, and it's giving baby's all, okay? So that's what I picked up from this sale. I feel like I'm leaving something else out. Oh, and I am. Should have did this earlier with the fragrances. I also picked up Fleur's Vanilla Skin, and I also picked up Fleur's Amber Haze. Now, Fleur's Vanilla Skin, this is, I believe, $35 for the big one. I'm not sure, maybe $25. I'm not sure, but everyone's been talking about this. Listen, I'm gonna keep it. If you like vanilla, if you like warm vanilla sugar, if you like bare vanilla, If you like Kayali Vanilla 28, that's what this is giving. It's basically all those things. It has really good longevity. It's a grown-up vanilla because it has a little spice to it. So I think that this will be good for probably all year round, mostly in fall, I believe, I feel like. But listen, if you like vanilla and you want a splash that lasts and it's a little bit more potent, then go check this out. The next one is Amber Haze. Amber Haze is basically Baccarat Rouge extrait, and that's it. That's what this is. This is Baccarat Rouge. That's what this is. Okay, you want another body splash that smells like Baccarat, go ahead and get you this. Okay, that's it. $20. This is $20, I believe, with the 20% off. 2 times 2 is 4. 20 minus $4, you get it for $16. Okay, so if you want to go do it, then go ahead. And so I believe that's it. So go on ahead to Sephora, go save your 20%, 10%, 15%, whatever level you are for Sephora, and check out those suggestions that I just gave you. Anyway, as always, stay elevated, stay humble, stay beautiful, and stay blessed.